Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find this one. So now we know that tan of A plus B, that is about tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So we have cotang 8 and we know that cotang 8 that is about 1 over tan 8. And now we know that cotang 8 that is about 1 over 2. So tan 8 that is about number 2. Let's go to find tan B. So we have this one in here. And this is about the quadrant number 2. So because the quadrant number 2, we can know that the value of tan B that should be about negative number in here. So we have secant of B and we have the formula in here. So I will put number 1 go in here. We have negative number 1. And later that we put the square root for the both sides, but tan B should be about negative. So we need to select about negative of the square root secant of B squared minus 1. And we put this one go in here. So we calculate this one, negative number 4 over 3. So we have this one, and we put tan A go in here, and here, tan B that is about this one. So we calculate this one, and we got the final answer. That is about number 2 over 11. This is the end. Thank you for watching.